Hello friends, welcome to my channel HSWari. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to short a battery without any DC supplier. Friends, we will see how to short a battery, how to repair a dead mobile phone without DC supplier. You can see I have a mobile on screen, a small phone which is totally dead, which when I am connecting on charging, this is not able to charge, not able to switch on. This is the mobile. We will, you can see this is not switching on. I am pressing the power key. This is totally dead mobile phone. So for in this situation we have to short the battery because we are not able to charge, because the battery voltage is zero. We will see, I will show you the battery voltage. Okay, take out the battery. Let's see. You can see there are two terminals, one is positive, one is negative. You need a multimeter. Okay, set the multimeter to 20 volt DC. Now we will check the voltage of the battery with the help of multimeter. Now connect the negative to negative and positive terminal to positive of the battery. You can see there is a 00 reading presently. When I am connecting negative to negative and positive to positive, still the voltage of the battery is 0. This means your battery is totally dead and you have to short the battery to use this battery in your mobile phone. For that you need one charger, which is old Nokia charger. You can see with the round pin. Here you can see this is a round pin charger. You need this type of charger which pin is round, or otherwise you can cut your cable. You can cut from here and you can use these two cables inside this cable, or you can use this type of charger. If you have not this type of charger, you have to cut your charger. Okay, for this type of charger you need one paper pin. You can see I have one paper pin. You need this type of paper pin and you need one wire. You can see this is one wire. Okay, now we will start how to short the battery. You can cut, if you do not have this type of charger, you can cut your other charger from the front. So you can use that two wires. Okay, now we will use this type of charger. Place a paper pin inside that hole, which is our positive terminal, and now we can check the voltage of this charger by connecting positive to red and negative to black, and you can see the voltage of the charger 5.96. you can see in multimeter there is a voltage of 5.96. okay, now take a wire and place a paper pin in the center hole, and actually you have to make connect this wire to the negative point. The outer part of the charger connecting point is negative point, and we are connecting that wire to that negative point so that we can connect our negative point to battery terminal, and positive we can connect with the help of that pin. You can see there is a positive and negative indication on battery. We have to use this positive terminal and negative terminal to short the battery. Now connect positive terminal to positive and negative to negative for a few seconds. You can see I am connecting that pin is our positive in the charger, and this wire is the negative, and I am connecting that positive to positive and negative to negative for a few seconds. And now let's check again what is the voltage of this battery. Now connect positive to positive and negative to negative and see the battery voltage. Now you can see friends, 2.95 battery voltage is showing. Firstly we have checked the voltage was 0 and now you can see the battery voltage is 2.95. Okay, means now if we are charging our phone, the phone will get start charging, and and let's charge the phone with the help of charger. You have to connect the another charger. Now I'm connecting my charger to my mobile phone. Now you can see, now you can see my phone is start charging. Now we will give some more. You can see the voltage after charging the phone is increased. Now voltage is showing 3.04. Last we have checked the voltage was 2.95. The voltage is increased. Now if we are putting again, you can see the standard voltage on the battery. This is 3.75. Now we will charge again for the few seconds and we'll see again the changes in the voltage. Now I'm charging my battery for a few seconds. Friends, this is situation scam when you have not used your mobile phone for a long time, and if you are keeping your mobile phone for a, you are not using your mobile phone for a long time, your mobile phone battery get fully discharged. The voltage showing on your battery is 0. If you have not this type of charger, you can cut from here to another type of charger, and there are two wires, one is red color wire, one is another color, and you can use that wire. Red color wire is positive and other color wire is negative terminal. You can connect that wires directly to your battery connecting points and short your battery at home. You do not need a DC supplier to short a battery. Now let's again check what is voltage is showing on my battery, because I have already charged my battery for last 1 minutes. Let's see. Lastly we have checked the battery voltage was 3.06, and now you can see the battery voltage is 3.35, which is raised from last we have checked. So friends, in this way you can check your, you can short your mobile phone battery at home. You actually do not need a multimeter. You if your phone is not charging and you have not damaged any type and of. Thanks for watching friends.